What is up everyone? Welcome back to our channel.
Welcome back to TechMan. This tutorial will guide you through the process of automatically blurring the background of a video in Adobe Premiere Pro. Open Adobe Premiere Pro, create a new project or open an existing one, import the footage containing the video you want to blur, drag the footage onto the timeline. As you can see, I have mine already imported and is already on the timeline. Next, go to the Effects panel. On the search box over here, search for Gaussian Blur. Drag the Gaussian Blur effect onto the video layer. Now go to the In the Effect Controls panel. Find the Gaussian Blur effect. So right here, we have three options on creating a mask. You can use the circle, rectangle, or the pen tool, which means you have to outline your subject or the part you want to blur. In our case, let's use the pen tool since we will need to mask our subject. Outline your subject on the video. Once done, click on the stopwatch icon under Gaussian Blur effects over here, and beside it, click the play button as well. Premiere Pro will automatically track your mask, so let's wait on this one. After that, we can now increase the blurriness over here. Now here, let's input 100 to blurriness. Then check this inverted over here, so only our background will be blurred. Then adjust the mask feather to remove harsh lines between the background and our subject. And there you have it.
If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.